Sierra. This is a fail. Look at you. You're stuck. Here. Oh my god. Your boobs.
Oh, I'm getting smashed even more.
Here.
That my move.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, come on. Get off the bed.
Come on. Why would you get down in there in the first place? Oh, I thought you got down there on purpose.
Yes, of course. That's how stupid I am.
Well, you never know.
I'm stuck because my shirt it's like it won't let my stomach out. Oh my god.
Whoa.
I'm
Oh my
still
gosh.
stuck. I'm getting stuck even more each time. I'm full of.
Okay, here. Let me pull you up. I'm gonna have to.